So we literally crawled out of bed 10 minutes ago. I just opened the curtains and the sky was like pink. And Campbell was like, nah, we're too late. So I was like, well, I'm gonna try. And he's like, oh fine, I'll come with you. So we're on our way. We're chasing the pink.
Wow.
I hope we make it. It looks amazing.
Good morning guys, it's February the 14th, it's Valentine's Day, and we are going to be celebrating by travelling the world. Now apparently we can't actually tour the world, something about like a virus or something, I don't know. But instead, what we're going to do is take a little tour of the world with our taste buds, and we're going to be cooking different meals from all over the world, from some of our favourite places to eat. So starting off, Gemma's already in the kitchen, and she's whipping up a little something from our first destination, which is La France. What are you cooking?
Crepe? I don't know the French for crepe.
I believe what Gemma was trying to say is pour le petit déjeuner, vous avez la crêpe à la chocolat avec les fruits à la framboise et un café au lait à jus d'orange.
Oui.
Oui. So what we're going to try and do is speak the languages from each country we go to. French is the only language that I even basically speak. Gemma is fluent in French, as you saw before, and when I say French is the only language I can reasonably speak, that is English included, you know, because my English is absolutely terrible, as you can probably tell. But for those non-French aficionados, what is it we're cooking?
Okay, we are cooking crepes with Nutella,
with fresh
strawberries,
fruit, strawberries and raspberries.
raspberries.
We're going to get stuck into making that now. Oh, it's a bitty crepe.
And I can't help but worry that this is gonna like taste well.
Okay, status report. We've got the batter in the bowl. Gemma's whipping it away nicely. I've been hard at work, drinking my coffee. And then we're going to put it in the pan. Hopefully it turns into a nice thin crepe, because normally we make thick American pancakes, so we're actually trying to make thin crepes this time. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh, I can see some bubbles. Is that the top tip from the French cook?
I would say so. I mean, I'm not really a crepe connoisseur.
You're cooking
Is
crepes
that the right
every
word?
day.
I'm not a crepe connoisseur. So I'm like worried because every time it just keeps like ripping, but it's like also stuck to the bottom and.
Yeah, this first one I think is going to be Gemma's. Hold that upside. Oh,
Oh.
that looks not bad.
Okay, how do I flip it? Oh, it's hot.
Ah, well done. That's some delicious looking scrambled egg. Oof. So that's Gemma's. Take note. There we go.
How did you do that?
Almost. I was as patient as that is because it's now a competition. So if this wasn't a competition, I would have just had scrambled eggs for breakfast. What are you doing over here with the chocolate?
I just thought of a good idea. While I'm waiting.
It's been 4 minutes, Gemma. Naughty, naughty.
I can already confirm that breakfast is going to be good. Oh, yum.
Thoughts? Even a runt one?
Yep, definitely not worthy of the bin. I regret saying that. So good.
Is that just Nutella?
That's just a bit of Nutella. I'm in heaven. I've not had Nutella for so long.
Oh man, I am
That's
very
so
excited.
good.
Let's get stuck into some breakfast. Oh. So breakfast was absolutely delicious. I cannot believe we don't do that more often. We've got one quick trip that we're about to go and make before we get stuck into today's work, and I'll tell you guys about that in a little minute. So first of all, the reason that we like French food so much is actually we've been to France a few times now. Personally, I lived in France for about 4 months. I was studying over there towards the end of my university, and the French culture is just so beautiful. Like, I love the language, love the people, and love the food. I love the boulangeries and everything. You get fresh baguettes in the morning. It's just perfect. So we're off on our way now to get Gemma's second vaccination. It's an exciting day. Guernsey has, in case you didn't know, has been very quick to get the vaccine rolled out. I've already had 2 doses. I had mine a few days ago. Gemma's getting her second one today. Hopefully she doesn't have too many bad side effects, but that's what we're going to go and do now, and it is a very exciting day for us. Alright, good luck.
Ooh, thank you.
Have fun. Alright, so we're back in the apartment. We've been working away for the past couple of hours, and it's quickly approaching time for the next meal. Now, where are we travelling to next in the world?
Mexico.
Mexico. And what are we having for lunch?
Para el almuerzo vamos a comer pollo con ensalada de frijoles negros.
Fantastic. That's chicken salad with black beans, just in case anyone else doesn't speak fluent Spanish like my friend Gemma here. And also, I just actually remembered I bought Gemma a present quite a little while ago, but back before lockdown while I was still at work. I saw something. We don't usually do Valentine's presents, so I wasn't planning on getting anything, but then I saw something on discount. It was only for like £3 or something. I was like, I can't not get that because it is exactly what Gemma would want. So I've hidden it up here. Let's see Gemma's reaction to it. There you go.
That's heavy. Oh my god! Microwavable boots.
Slippers that you put in the microwave to heat them up, and they smell like lavender.
Oh my god, you're the best.
I think it actually suits everything else that you wear.
I know.
Gemma's got a dressing gown. We just bought a fleecy blanket that she absolutely adores, and now she's got fleecy boots, so she's gonna just look like a giant sheep. Okay, time for a little stock take. So we've been busy working away in the kitchen. The bread maker is on the go. Do you want to tell them what we're making?
So this is the first time we've used the bread maker for this, but we're actually trying to make our own garlic naan bread. So I've put it on the dough function, and
our plan is we're going to be making our favourite assortments of Indian food. Kind of. I mean, a Scottish twist of it, because the type of curry that we're making is actually Scottish. It's not from India.
Yeah.
But we're making a garlic naan, we're making a peshwari naan, we're going to make some fake chicken pakora with Gemma's dad's spiced onions and poppadom.
let me see if I can find it.
And we're going to make a
Actually,
fake chicken chasney curry.
This naked glory is like
Chicken tikka pieces, and it is amazing.
it is amazing, and
It's
we're
so good.
hoping that we can make like a very close to chicken
Pakora.
pakora.
Yeah, so that's the plan.
So, yeah.
And we want peshwari naan as well, because our favourite Indian on the island is a place called Sitar, and it's in St. Peter Port, and they make amazing chicken tikka curries, or paneer tikka masalas, and peshwari naans are just out of this world. So we're going to try and remake that peshwari naan tikka pieces. That's been in the oven for about 20 minutes. We've got the pakora batter all prepared. That's Gemma's dad's spiced onions that are like world famous. I think he was actually invited to India one time to show off his spiced onions. Yeah, we're not making homemade poppadoms. We're going to make that into 2 different kinds of naan. Plans for 1 garlic naan and a peshwari naan. Or dry fry that like that actually.
We didn't chuck loads of sugar into it.
I think that's exactly what it's missing, to be honest, is sugar. Right. Time for a quick taste test. A big moment. Good?
Yeah.
Oh, and this is what I'm talking about. Look at that spread.
I know.
Wow,
I don't know how we're gonna eat it all, but
I know.
I'm excited to try.
We sure do manage, no matter what kind of cooking we do, we always manage to cook at least 3 times too much. We did the same during our Christmas dinner as well, didn't we?
Leftovers are always good.
Leftovers are always good, especially curry leftovers. Yeah. So we've got our pakora here. The naan bread's actually turned more into poppadoms because they're so hard.
They're quite crispy.
But it's crispy naan bread, and then some curry, spiced onions, pakora sauce. Oh, all the good stuff. Look at that. I am starving. We're gonna get stuck into this, guys. Okay, so we're about halfway through, and I'm struggling. Verdict time, I think.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Okay, so I don't think I would use wholemeal flour to make the naan. They've kind of turned out like a bit too like doughy. This is good, but that naked chicken stuff, sometimes I like it and sometimes I'm a bit like, oh, tastes a bit, it's just almost like too real.
Yeah, the texture's too much like chicken.
But wine is good. Yeah.
Thumbs up to the wine.
Thumbs up to the wine.
I think the Peshwari naan is definitely a highlight for me, where it's like Gemma said, it's just not, I think I fried it for too long in the frying pan, I dry fried it for too long, so it kind of made the outside like crunchy, which then prevented the dough from rising, and also just wholemeal flour, we're trying to be healthy. For some reason, where we're deep frying everything else, we use wholemeal flour. Just like to plain flour. Apart from that, I'm really actually enjoying the curry. Worth the effort out of 10? 7, 8 out of 10.
8. Good 8.
8.
I'm excited for dessert.
Dessert, 10 out of 10.
10
Yeah,
out
we've
of
got
10.
dessert coming next. Oh, what have we got here? Oh my god.
Cookie.
Warm cookie.
And cream egg ice cream.
Cream egg ice cream. Wow, wow, wow. Right, while we get stuck into this, guys, I think we're going to sign this video off.
Yeah, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We know it's a little bit different than normal, but we really hope you've enjoyed coming around on a little world tour of our taste buds.
And if you did like this video, guys, hit that like button. Let us know in the comments what your favourite food is in the world, and if you actually think any of our foods looked good and if you would try them. And if you want more videos like this and also more beautiful Guernsey videos and beautiful world travel videos, hit that subscribe button, join the Highlands to Hammocks gang, and we'll see you guys again in the next one.
Yeah, see ya.